Today we're going to learn about special kinds of shapes called two-dimensional polygons. As we look at our shapes and our picture over here, we notice that this side says polygons at the top, so everything underneath must be a polygon. I notice this side says not a polygon. So none of these shapes must be polygons. Our job today is going to be to decide what makes a shape a polygon and what happens in shapes that kind of mean it's impossible for it to be a polygon. All polygons have four things in common. They have four characteristics, and we're going to talk about all four of those. The first characteristic of a polygon is that polygons are closed. There are no openings. As I draw your attention over here to the side that says polygons, notice all the lines meet up exactly. There's no gap, there's no opening. If I draw your attention to the side called not polygons, look at this shape down here. Oh, we're doing pretty good. Oops, there's an opening right there. Because there is an opening, it cannot be called a polygon. Because again, all polygons are closed. There cannot be any openings. The second characteristic of polygons is that they all have straight lines, no curves. Again, let's look at our side that says polygons. Sure enough, all of the lines I see are straight. When I look at the sides that says not polygons, uh-oh, here's a curve, not a polygon. Uh-oh, curve, not a polygon. Again, another curve, not a polygon, because all polygons must have straight lines. Polygons are also flat, or what we call plane shapes. That means they lie flat on the surface, flat on your desk, flat on the ground. On our polygon side, you can see all of those look very flat. On our not polygon side, I'll draw your attention to this shape. Do you see how it almost looks like you could slide something under that, almost like there's air under there? That means it is not flat, so it could not be a polygon. The last characteristic of polygons is that they have no lines that cross over. Again, all of our lines on the polygon side meet up exactly. On our not polygon side, this is what a crossover looks like. And you see that it kind of goes across another line. In polygons, there are no crossovers. So once again, let's look at a shape, decide if it's a polygon, we have to ask ourselves four questions. Is it closed? Does it have straight lines? Is it a flat, plane shape? Does it have crossovers? Let's continue. I want you to try. I'm going to show you a shape like this one, and I want you to tell me, is it a polygon? Yes or no? You're right. It is a polygon. As I look, it is closed. It does have all straight lines. It looks like it's a flat plane shape, and there are no crossovers. This is a polygon. When I go next door, let's see. It is closed. Does it have all straight lines? Uh-oh, it's one big curve. This is not a polygon. Let's look at the next shape. Do you think that's a polygon? Hmm. Is it closed? Uh-oh, it's open. This is not a polygon. Let's look at this next shape. Go through your 4 characteristics. Is that a polygon? Is it closed? Yes, it is. Is it straight lines? Yes, it does. Are there crossovers? Uh-oh, there's a crossover. Not a polygon. Let's go down here. Is that one a polygon? Ask yourself your questions. Oh, you're right. You got to the first question. Is it closed? And the answer is no. So this is not a polygon. Let's check out this next shape. Is it a polygon? Is it closed? Yes, it is. Does it have straight lines? Yes, it does. Does it look like it's laying flat? Yes. Are there crossovers? No. This is a polygon. So far, we found 1, 2 polygons. Let's look at the next one. Is that a polygon? Oh, I bet you know already. It is not a polygon. Tell me why. Oh, you're right. Look at that big curve. It is not a polygon because polygons have straight lines. Let's take a look at this last figure. Is that a polygon? Is it closed? Does it have straight lines? Is it a flat plane shape? Does it have crossovers? Is it a polygon? Yes, you're right. It is a polygon. I want to remind you that polygons must be closed. They must have straight lines. They must be flat plane shapes, and they cannot have any crossovers. Today, I'm going to have you do an assignment, and you're going to be looking at shapes, thinking about these characteristics, and you're going to have to determine, is it a polygon or not? And in some cases, you will have to tell me why.